How to change app icons on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change application icons on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. So in order to change your application icon, you can use a custom launcher, that is Nova Launcher. For that, you have to open up Play Store in your device and install Nova Launcher in your device. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Nova Launcher and install it in your device. Once the installation is complete, now head over to Settings in your device and then tap on Apps. Here scroll down a bit and here tap on Default app. Tap on Home app and here you have to select the Nova Launcher from here. After you launch it, here you could simply tap on Skip Setup. Now once you do that, go back to your home screen, swipe your menu bar and open up your application. Now long press any application icon that you want to change. For example, I want to change the application for Canva. Tap and hold on the application. Now you get an edit button, tap on edit. Here tap on adaptive or tap on the icon, and here now you could choose from built-in packs, your gallery if you want to use your own image, or you could also get more themes from the Play Store if you want to do that. So go to your gallery application and select your own image. Once you're done with that, your application icon will be changed for your chosen application. So that is the way to change the icons or the application icons on Android using Nova Launcher. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.